Look! Daddy Kangaroo is practicing boxing! Oh no! The wild dog is harassing Mommy Kangaroo! Let's drive the terrible wild dogs away with Daddy Kangaroo! Wild dogs like to harass Mommy Kangaroo and Baby Kangaroo. Let's drive them away with Daddy Kangaroo. Daddy Kangaroo jumps forward through the support of his strong tail. Eating mushrooms will make Daddy Kangaroo stronger. Keep going, Daddy Kangaroo! Daddy Kangaroo has driven the wild dogs away and win the heart of Mommy Kangaroo. The naughty baby kangaroos ran away. Let's help Mommy Kangaroo to get the baby kangaroos back. The baby kangaroos got lost in the forest. Let's help get them back. This is a bunny, not the baby kangaroo. There are so many dirty leaves in the pouch of Mommy Kangaroo. Let's help her clean it up. Where is the other baby kangaroo? The baby kangaroo is hungry. Let's eat it. The baby kangaroos can only grow up under Mommy Kangaroo's protection.